What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you from another auction car. I'm checking out, test driving. This is a 2004 Volvo XC90 with 199,738 miles. And when I say this is the cleanest XC90 I've ever been in, I'm not lying, people. To be a 2004 with almost 200,000 miles, this thing is spotless. I mean, no grime, no grunge, no nothing. I mean, look at these buttons. I mean, it is phenomenal. It is so much smoother than our XC90 at home. Ooh, I got to get motor mounts on our XC90 at home. This one's had motor mounts put on it because it is smooth. Oh man, this thing is so nice. We're going to pull right here and just do a little quick walk around. This is triple black too. 04 with 200,000 miles. Wait till you see the seat. Look at that. Just a little bit of wear right there from coming in and out. A little wrinkling. This is probably one of the nicest old XC90s I've seen in years. I mean, I don't think they hauled a bunch of rug rats. There's a couple of stains back there. Oh, the headliner's falling down. Dadgummit, all these do that. But this thing's going to be cheap. And I'm going to, man, look at the wheels. Even those old wheels look good. Got a good set of Cooper tires on it. Even the headlights aren't all jacked up. They're nice and clear. This thing has been loved on. Loved on and well maintained. Look at that paint, that black paint. This has not been an ass-whipped XC90. This has been maintained. It's a trade-in at Chattanooga, which is, they own the Honda dealership here in town. Pretty local trade-in, Floyd County. That's the next county over. Yeah, so we had a grandparent that owned it. Took excellent care of it. I mean, 200,000 miles on an 04. That's not bad. This thing was garage kept. Garage kept. Probably one of the nicest XC90s I've seen in a long time. Everything's just so crisp and new looking. Unbelievable. Super nice car. Even the shifter just is so crisp, and the steering wheel feels like new. This thing's amazing. Defies its age for sure. For sure. Tell me what y'all think about this one. Like, comment, subscribe. What do you think? I think this will probably be about a $1,500, $2,000 bid. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.